networks used for learning efficient represents of data. Usually for tasks such as dimensional reduction, noise removal, and features learning, the main idea behind autocomplete is to compress the input data into smaller representation and then reconstruct it back at the original form. This process forces the network to learn the most important feature of the data. And then auto-encoder consists of three main parts. It's not as encoder, the latent space, and the decoder. The encoder compresses the input to a lower dimension representation, the latent space, store these compressed informations, and the decoder reconstructs the original data from the representation. The variational autoconsider are an advanced series of versions of autoconsider that only learns to compress data but also learn the probability distribution of the data. Instead of mapping the input and fixed point, VA map input distribution allowing them to generate a new data. Example, this make a VA useful for tasks such as image generation and data analysis synthesis. Explain the architecture of autoencoder. The architecture of autoencoder is designed to learn a complex representative input data while preserving the important feature. It is considered two main parts, the encoders and the decoder connected through a latent space. And the architecture of encoder is designed to learn a complex representation of the input. An autoencoder considers three main parts of the encoder, the latent space, and then a decoder. The encoder compresses the input into lower dimension. The representation within the latent space stores the complex information, and the decoder considers the original data from the representation. Variation autoencoder are an advanced version of autoencoder that only learns to compare the data but also learn the probability distribution of data instead of mapping input to fixed points. We map input distribution allowing them to generate a new data sample. The make VE useful for tasks such as image generation data. Explain the architecture of an autoencoder. The architecture of autoencoder is designed to learn a complex representation of input data while preserving an important feature. It consists of two main parts, encoder and a decoder connected through a latent field. The encoder takes the input data and gradually reduces their dimension through multiple layers. This compression represents storage, the latent space, which acts as a bottleneck. The purpose of bottleneck is to force the network to learn only the most important feature of the data. The decoder then takes the compressed the representation and the reconstruction the original input. The goal is to minimize the difference between the input and the reconstruction output. Latent space the representation reconstructed images, input images. Coder bottleneck decoder. Hidden layer encoder decoder. The latent space decoder. Put data bottleneck encoder. That's all. An auto-control created new data. Variation auto-encoders are designed to generate a new data sample by learning the underlying distribution of the input data. Instead of learning fixed representation, Y learns in a probabilistic represent the data space. During training, the encoder map the input data to probability distribution rather than a single point. The encoders then sample from the distribution to reconstruct the data. This allows the model to generate a variation of the one important concept in a way is the balance between a construction and distribution learning. Models tend to be more accurately capture the input and insert data and data space. Following smooth distribution, they make it a workflow to generate new realistic data by sampling from the data space. We so widely users applications in images, generating data augmentation and the creative AI system. They are providing powerful way to generate new data while maintaining secret to data. Explain again architectures. Creative advertisement network. में ज्ञान आर्किटेक्चर क्या होता है? जनरेटिव एडवर्सल नेटवर्क आर ए क्लासेस ऑफ डीप लर्निंग मॉडल यूज्ड फॉर generating realistic data. The concept of two network are generator and discriminator, which are trained together in a commutative manner. So generally, can create a new data sample, it's an image from a random input data that discriminator evaluate its sample and trying to distinguish between the real data and the generative data. The generator aims to produce data that can fool discriminator while the discriminator tries to correctly identify the take data. ज्ञान आर्किटेक्चर जनरेटर जनरेट डेटा रियल डेटा डिस्क्रिमिनेटर फेक रियल एंड नॉइज रियल इमेजेस सैंपल जनरेटेड सैंपल डिस्क्रिमिनेटर डिस्क्रिमिनेट रॉ जनरेटर्स रैंडम इनपुट bunch attempts many attempts and even more attempts later generators discriminator competition continues until the generator produces highly realistic data carry the discriminator cannot easily distinguish from real data. The generative AR widely used in application of images, generative video, synthetic style transform. Compare auto product, OVE and GANs. Auto products, OVE and GANs are the all a generative model, but the different their working principle and application. And auto product focus on reconstructing input data and learning complex representation. They are simple and stable, but may not be generative highly realistic data. We improve upon auto by learning probabilities distribution, allowing them to the generative data. However, the generated data may sometimes appear blurry due to the nature of the reconstruction process. Generative and GN on the other hand, generative highly realistic data by using a computer training process between generator and discriminator. They produce high quality output but are more difficult to train and may suffer from instability. In terms of application, autoencoder are used for features and learning and denoising free for data generation and especially learning CST measure to use the research model as to extend the student binary requirement to the task. Explain attention mechanisms. Hmm. Attention mechanism important concept of in deep learning that allow model to focus on the most relevant parts of the input when making of predictions. In addition, this making prediction of the in traditional sequence model like RNN and OVA, all input information is compressed into single fixed representation, which mandate to ठीक है और also probabilities optimize linear and normal with forward multi-threads multi-direction and advanced multi-direction and forwards and additional to data. The transfer model artificial output embedding question including ठीक है पिछली बार पेपर में आया क्वेश्चन इस तरीके से और ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व आउट करना मुझे भी हो जाए ठीक है क्वेश्चन से राइट Cort and GPT are two popular models based on the transformers and an architecture, but is a design for understanding taste and user evaluation approach and meaningful it consider both left and right context simultaneously. This make a very effective for task like questions हो गया, जैसे कि इनकोडर का पार्ट हो गया, सेल्फ अटेंशन ट्रांसफॉर्मर, द कैट क्यूरी क्वेरी अटेंशन सेल्फ अटेंशन ट्रांसफॉर्मर वैल्यू and key values and but discuss transfer architecture and compare VRT and GPT. Transfer architecture modern deep learning model designs to handle a sequential data without revealing recurrence like RN transfer process all element of sequences embedded using attention mechanism. This allow them to capture relationship between a word regardless of their position space. The transformer consider two main parts, encoder and decoder. The encoder processes input sequence and this create a regional regulation. While the decoder generates the output sequence, the key innovation transformations is the use of serial attention, which allow each element the sequence or interact with every other element. Serial attention and key or BERT and GPT and a classifier text to prediction text task classifier normal fit forward normal material detection text post fitting and also normal text also. BERT and GPT are two popular models based on the transform architecture. BERT is designed for understanding the text and uses a bidirectional approach, meaning it's considered both left right content simultaneously. And this make a very effective task like question answering and segment analysis. GPT, on the other hand, is designed for text generation and user and digital approach. Thank you for the previous word. In term application bird is a better for understanding tasks. They very why GPT is better for generated text. Both the models have a significant improved their performance of natural language processing system. Explain a rainforest learning. Reinforcement learning is type of machine learning where an agent learns to make a decision by interacting with the environment. Instead of being trained on label data, the agent learns through the trial and the error by receiving reward based on the actions. The main component of treatment forest learnings include the agent, the environment action state, the reward, the agents observe the current state. The environment takes the action to distribute back for back in the form of reward. The goal of the agent is to maximize the total reward of the time. Unlike supervised learning, where the correct or providing forest learning relay, especially learning form this may be suitable for problem where corrects not immediately now. Reinforcement learning is widely used in applications such as game, playing robotics, and autonomous system to allow system to learn completely and adapt to changing environment. Role of deep learning in real world applications. Deep learning has a transform many real world applications by enabling the machines to performing complex tasks with a high accuracy in medical imaging. It's like X-ray, MRI, system as a doctor making a product and improving patient outcome. The natural language is processing deep learning is used to translate language translation, chatbot, and independent analysis model like transformer have significantly improved the ability to machine understanding generative human language. It autonomous machine vehicle deep learning play a crucial role in a restaurant decision making. It helps a vehicle recognize object detect obstacle and navigation safety real world environment. Despite this advancement, challenges remain such as the need for large data set, high in computational cost, and ethical concerns related to privacy and bias. Addressing this challenge is important for the responsible use of deep learning technology. Design a deep learning solution for real world problems. Designing a deep learning solution involves selecting appropriate model to some strategy based on the problem. For example, consider designing chart system. The first step in choosing suitable model, such as a transfer-based model, which is equipped for handling language tasks. The framework username which can transfer to Keras Metro depending on the requirement from there. The data must be collected and a process product take the search tokenization and clearing. The training strategy involves safety approved laws mentioned after that implemented techniques such as regulate and proper are used to prevent or predict the model train large data set to learn language pattern. Evaluation in turn using the methods such as accuracy and use satisfaction the system should then tested and improve based on feedback. A well-designed deep learning solves consider all spectrum, including model selections, data preparation, training, and evolution. This is that the system performance quickly in real-world conditions. I hope video you will understand this concept and easily concept guys like getting the more marks of the concept.